All these guys I got. This clone of pumpkin just got invited because yeah, he just wanted to die. So first of all, we're gonna start with Melon. No, I don't want to. No. No, 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 please, no, 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 no. Okay, that was a bad aim. Let's get him out. Okay, we got another Melon clone. Oh my god. No, wait, no, no, no! Okay, sorry, that was just my weird accent. Okay, next, we got pumpkin. Let me slow this down to make it more satisfying. No! Please, please. Go. No, no, no! I'm still alive. I don't care. I'm getting out. Wait, how did he survive? Okay, well he got burned to death apparently. So yeah, let me just get this guy out. Don't worry about him, he'll be fine. Bro. Okay, there. Now what happens if we drop this? Oh, wow! It already started to get heated. Wait. Ooh. Okay, next one we're gonna do corn. No, I am not meant to be for here. No! I'm getting out. I don't care. I'm burning. I'm so low. Yummy popcorn. Okay, let's get him out now. Oh, he's still, okay, his bones are somehow still there. Okay, next one we got apple. No, wait, add! Sorry, we had to do something. Let's get another apple. Ah! Wow, that is satisfying. Wait, bro, not again. I'm burning! Help me! Wow, this feels like a jacuzzi kinda. Wait, not anymore, it's hot! Okay, oh! Wow. Holy lag. Okay, yeah, wait. Okay, that burnt like usual. Oh! I did not expect that. Wait, what if I do this? Oh! Okay, next one we're gonna do cactus. No, wait, no! Oh, he didn't even have a chance. Okay, never mind. Let's just do. But who invited you? You're not there. Okay. Cactus. No! Ah! Wow. Woo! My face! I'm burning! This feels like a jacuzzi kinda every second, but bro, not again. Ooh, that hurts. No, we're not again. in there now. Okay, let's end this. Let's end this guy. Bro, you gotta be kidding me. What? Bro, this ball coming out. Like actually. Oh! Okay, never mind. Next one we're gonna do tomato. I'm sure this guy's gonna die any second now. Okay, that was easy kill. Got this guy in. Next one we got dragon fruit. I'm sure. Yes, it was dragon fruit. No, wait, come back! Wait, let's do that again. Let's do that again. No, 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 no! You got burned, bro. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh no, no, please go. Ah! He was somehow alive in the water. I mean in the lava. What did I do? Okay, robot. Let's do this guy. Wait, let's do that again. Let's do it right. Ah, I am drowning in lava. System failed. Please try again. Wow. Wait, what if I found... Wait. No, wait, not an ad. Okay, we're back. I am just gonna do something real quick. What happens if I this? I'm back. I'm alive. Yippee! No, we're not again. Wait, what happens if I do virus? Oh wait, this guy's still in. Okay, never mind. Wait, I have an idea. Melon. I am flying. I am the first flying monkey. Is he still alive? Wait, is this guy actually alive? Like, actually, is he alive? Okay, I just keep saying that. Wait, let's check that real quick. Bro. Oh, there. What? Let's see what color. Wow, this guy's alive somehow. Okay, wait. Please. Wait. No. Wow. Really lucky. Let's heal this guy real quick. Add some bandages. Okay, he's good. Oh, it just got burned. Okay. What? He's healing good already? Okay, let's get this thing out now. Where am I gonna put that? Oh, here. Yeah. Oh. Whee! No. Do not land. Okay. Wow, it just got burnt. Okay. You are just gonna stay here because you're very lucky. There, you're just gonna stay there. Okay. What else? What else is there? Okay, we got this guy, Coral. Eee. I just oh. Okay. R.I.P. R.I.P. again. Whew. Okay, wait. This guy is gonna okay, there. Good. Oh! Okay. Wait, what about the other one? This one. Will you explode? Yeah. Oh! Okay, another ad, no! Okay guys, that will be it for today. Because this guy is gonna be very lucky. Never mind about that. Okay, he's burning. He's actually burning. Which means, you know what time it is. Oh! Wait, how's... Bro. Oh! Wow, the volcano... Okay, the volcano burst. I think this guy is gonna have to go now. So, see ya. Wait, how's he still alive? I forgot he was on immortality, but I'm trying to do like an effect for the outro. Okay, see ya.